In the context of the global acceleration towards a low-carbon transition, the Voluntary Carbon Market, VCM, serves as a key mechanism, offering businesses and individuals the opportunity to flexibly participate in carbon reduction efforts. VCM is not subject to mandatory policies. Rather, it is based on voluntary commitments, allowing participants to offset unavoidable emissions through the purchase of carbon credits. The sources of these credits include reliable projects such as reforestation, renewable energy, and biochar. The significance of VCM goes beyond mere emission offsetting. It fills policy gaps, drives technological innovation, strengthens corporate climate responsibility, and generates additional environmental and social co-benefits. Among various carbon removal solutions, biochar stands out its ability to sequester carbon for the long term, while also offering co-benefits like soil improvement and waste utilization. Biochar production can be easily localized, aligning with rural economic development needs. Moreover, platforms like Puro.earth ensure high transparency, providing buyers with a solid foundation of trust. Veston, with its advanced technology and professional certification system, helps clients efficiently implement carbon removal solutions, ensuring that every environmental contribution is traceable and verifiable.